Hello guys, it's Anthony with PM Hobbycraft. Today we are going to be unboxing the TRX4 Mercedes G500 4x4 edition. So, here goes nothing. Okay, so we put this aside. See if we can get this off quickly. So right away we noticed that the chassis is very similar to the Defenders, the Bronco, and the Blazer. You'll notice there's slightly different bumpers. Then right away the differences that we see are the 2.6-inch wheels and a soft rubber tire. That'll be great for grip and crawling over the rocks. So the other noticeable difference are the steel rock sliders and the mufflers coming out of the side. There's some differences in the rear bumper and the front bumper. So with the rear bumper, the new departure angle is 55 degrees. And with the new front bumper, what I was reading is that is 60 degrees. And I believe it's 80 millimeters from the chassis to the ground. So yeah, other than that, the fender wells are slightly different, so they fit into the body. The electronics are the same, the 2-speed transmission, the front and rear locking differentials. And yeah, so we'll take a closer look at the body. I spent quite a bit of effort looking at the details on the body. So right away we noticed the molded light bar and the options of lighting. I believe the lights come separate, but you'll have your side blinkers, your headlights and tail lights. Nice clean look. From what I remember reading online, the Mercedes G-Wagon was one of the only vehicles where you could get the portal axles in real life. So that's kind of cool. Only appropriate that, that this happened eventually. The other things to note, let me see, the adjustable wheelbase. Yeah, it's pretty much the same chassis as the Defender. Like I was saying, same options. The main difference is being the styling of the wheels and the body and the scale detail. Well, that about wraps it up for the G500. The release date is coming soon. Looking forward to that. It's coming out probably around first week in September. These will be available on our website for pre-order, or stop on by or give us a call. Feel free to like and subscribe to our video, and we'll see you again.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Let's go roll it down a hill.